So the first site is called mockupsdesign.com, where you can source free and high quality mockups ranging from t-shirts, you got devices, mags, hats, books, bags, and so many more others. You can even search your mockups by category. You got brochures, business cards, outdoor books, stationery packages, and when you hover over a design, it shows you how it really looks without the mockup design. So you can see how your mockup or your design is going to look on the mockup. It has so many different types of mockups. You got shadowed USA fly mockups, you have gift ready mag mockups, you got bold mockups, you got white billboard mockups. Let's click on one mockup. We should see how it really looks. So this is a mockup of a mag on the shelf. It has 3 different types of mockups, and you can download the mockup from scrolling down below here. Besides the download button, it shows you the information of the mockup. It shows you the type of the file, which is PST, the license for commercial use, and the attribution requirement, which is not required. You can use this for free without acknowledging the one who made this mockup or this design. And if you want to use it commercially, you can grab their license and hit the download button to get the mockup. And below that, you have these related mockup designs, which are also going to be mags. So let's go to another mockup design, which is an envelope mockup. And beside the mockup, you have this information mockup of the design, the type of the file, the license, if you want to use it commercially, and not required of attributions. If you scroll down, you see how many mockups it has. And this mockup design has 5 mockups. If you're satisfied, you click the download button here. The next site is called mockupworld.com. It's a directory for mockups, especially for free packaging mockups, where you get access to thousands of mockups. You can even search your mockups from this searching bar here, and you can also browse the mockups by category. As I'm scrolling down, you can see how beautiful these mockup designs are. You have this cereal boxes mockup, this flat packaging mockup, this little pouch bag mockup, and you have also these other mockups. I've noticed there are so many boxy mockups. You have up to 39 pages of mockups. Let's click on one mockup design. Wow, this is so beautiful, and it has a few details on the description which are required and fully informative. You have this free download button, you have the file type here. Let's click on another mockup design. Same thing, few details, yet enough on the description, the download button, and the file type. You even have related mockups. The next site is called Graphic Burger, and on this site it's not just about mockups. You have UI kits, icons, text effects, backgrounds, and so many other things. As you can see, I'm scrolling down, but it's not just mockups. You have fonts, you have t-shirts, you have text effects and backgrounds. Let's click on mockups. So these are the mockups you can find on Graphic Burger. You have vehicle mockups. Oh, these are very beautiful. You have merchandise mockups, you have business cards mockups, you have this flag mockup, you have magazine mockups, you have these other mockups, stationery mockups, and you also have fonts. Let's click on one mockup design. I love this van mockup. Okay, it has 6 angles, that means 6 mockups. Oh, I love how these are looking. Wow, these are very beautiful. And you also have a description and details here, the size of the file, where you can download the file. I see the type of the file. Yeah, It's beautiful. Now let's go on UI kits. Let's see what they got. Okay. You have Liberty UI kits. There are so many kits I see. But our video is about mockups, so let's go to the next mockup site, which is unblast.com. There's so many type of mockups. You have this stationery, and you have books, you have merchandise, you even have bottles and billboards. So many mockups. I love this branding mockup design. Let's click it. I'm having slow internet, so you can see these are very professional designs, and below the mockup design it shows you a mockup without the design itself, and below that it shows you the related mockup designs which you can also download. These are going to make you look more professional and modern when you are presenting your projects to your clients. Take it from a professional graphic designer. If you do not know how to present your works to your clients in a professional way, you are cooked. Let's move to another mockup, which is a stationary photo mockup. Yeah, these are very nice and professional, very sleek. Clients do love how modern their products are presented. Below here there's a download button where you can get the mockup for free. No need to sign up or to add your card details. And below that you have these related mockup designs, as you can see. Moving to the next site is called pixiedenclub.com. This is where you can get access to premium and free mockup templates. So on this site is where I usually come to get my mockups when I want to present projects to clients. It has very sleek and modern mockups, as you can see on my screen here. These are very modern and professional mockups. Let's click on this mockup. My internet is so slow, just don't mind that. Besides here, it shows you the name of the mockup, the description, the file, and the size of the mockup, and it also shows you how many mockups are there. So you can see there's so many mockups, and all of them are very sleek and modern. The size of the mockup, you got the license, the description here, then you download it. When you are satisfied with the mockup, you also have related resources. You can see all the different mockups that are related to this mockup. Let's go on another mockup. Let's click this iPhone blow up mockup. These are very modern and sleek designs. You can find these for free, but on this site are for free. And you have related resources to this mockup down below here. You can see how modern and sleek those mockups look. Let's go back and click on another mockup. This time let's go to page 2. These are very professional. Let's go to page 3. Wow. And I notice most of the mockups on this site are box or envelopes. This is page 4. Let's click on this product brand box mockup. This is very professional. Imagine your client seeing this. They won't have to say anything else. Come on. Let's go back. You also have these other categories. You have backgrounds, you have textures, you have UI and mobile apps, you have miscellaneous. Currently we're on mockups, so let's go on textures. Wow, these are very good textures. You can scroll below to see as many textures as you want. Let's click on this water drops background texture. You have the file type here, the size, and the download button. Let's go back and see backgrounds. What backgrounds we have? So many backgrounds. You got dark, you got theme. Let's go on UI and mobile apps. Wow, these are very good templates and designs. If you have any web apps or mobile apps, you can come here and grab a design. Let's go back and click on a design. Let's click on this mobile app UI kit. You can see these are very beautiful mobile app designs. Let's go below. It has so many screens already designed for you just to customize. You can see the file type and the size. Then click the download button. And that wraps this video. I hope you found this video helpful and you've discovered some awesome mockup sites to boost your design game. If you enjoyed the content or learned something new, don't forget to give us the thumbs up and the subscribe for more creative tools, tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating.